everyone! Welcome to King English class.
In this video, we'll explore the traditional costumes and national symbols of many Asian countries. Let's get started.
Vietnam. Vietnam's traditional costume is the Ao Dai. The lotus is the symbol of Vietnam. China. China's traditional costume is the Chi Pao. The dragon is the symbol of China. South Korea. South Korea's traditional costume is the Hanbok. The hibiscus, mugonghwa, is the symbol of Korea. India. India's traditional costume is the sari. The lotus flower is the symbol of India. Thailand. Thailand's traditional costume is the chut thai. The white elephant is the symbol of Thailand.
Laos. Laos's traditional costume is the sin. The white elephant is the symbol of Laos. Cambodia. Cambodia's traditional costume is the sampot. Angkor Wat is the symbol of Cambodia. Myanmar. Myanmar's traditional costume is the longi. The Golden Pagoda is the symbol of Myanmar. Malaysia. Malaysia's traditional costume is the baju kurung. The Malayan tiger is the symbol of Malaysia.
Japan. Japan's traditional costume is the kimono. The cherry blossom is the symbol of Japan.
Philippines. The Philippines' traditional costume is the barong Tagalog. The Philippine eagle is the symbol of the Philippines. Indonesia. Indonesia's traditional costume is the batik kebaya. The Garuda is the symbol of Indonesia. Brunei. Brunei's traditional costume is the baju Melayu. The royal emblem is the symbol of Brunei. East Timor. East Timor's traditional costume is the Thais cloth. The Timor eagle is the symbol of East. Nepal. Nepal's traditional costume is the Dora Surawal. Mount Everest is the symbol of Nepal. Bhutan. Bhutan's traditional costume is the Go and Kira. The thunder dragon, Druk, is the symbol of Bhutan. Mongolia. Mongolia's traditional costume is the Deil. The horse is the symbol of Mongolia. Pakistan. Pakistan's traditional costume is the shalwar kameez. The cedar tree is the symbol of Pakistan. Bangladesh. Bangladesh's traditional costume is the sari. The whitewater lily, shapla, is the symbol of Bangladesh. Singapore. Singapore's traditional costume is the sarong kebaya. The merlion is the symbol of Singapore.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.